Here we go, loo-dee-loo. Aye! We are here today to talk about our shapes. But yesterday we talked about a shape. Anybody can remind me which shape it is? Who said a circle? Give yourself a big clap. Yes, man. So yesterday we spoke about the circle and it goes round and round and round and it never ends. So I am going to put circle to fly away. So fly away, circle. Alright. So we're not going to talk about the circle today. So we're going to X out this. Which shape do you think we're going to talk about? The triangle. Are you ready now? I can make a triangle. I can make a triangle. Just like this. Just like this. Put your fingers out. Like this. Then close this one. Can you make it? Can you make it? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can make a triangle. I can make a triangle. Just like this. Just like this. Just like this. Just like this. Alright, so here I have the shape of a triangle. And a triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. I can make a triangle. 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 Come on, do the dance. Triangle. Just like this. And it looks exactly like the one I have on the chart. Now what you're going to do for me? You are going to use your finger or any part of your body and make a triangle. So you're going to form it either like this or elbow and sing the song for me and send the video to me. I can make a triangle just like this. Come on, boys, just like this. Come on, girls, just like this. Give yourself a big clap. High five. Get to work, boys and girls. Thank you.